This is the second part where I'm running the local models that I installed in the last videos. Here I'm using Continue app extension inside VS Code to code with the AI model. Installation process seems simple enough. Just clicking few buttons and it is installing the models necessary to run the thing. Watch till the end to understand what I was able to do in 1 hour.
So I found this app and we are going to use this to track the 20 hour. We can add then next step, pick the system. Yeah, it will. Let's see what we can do in 20 hours. So it is ready. Hello, hello. It responds in code and very fast. We are recording. Check. No, stop, stop. Okay, then it says to do this. It sometimes feels like if AI is doing all the coding, then is it my project? Like it becomes a big part of because when you code every line and you understand everything, in my mind it makes sense that it gives you that, oh, I built it. No, so if I use it, but if you think about it, you are using all these tools which you did not made to create this, whatever you create, right? You will use other people, we are using other people's AI models, we are using everywhere, we are using the code written by somebody else. So why not cut the middleman and directly ask AI to write everything? Let's see how it goes, because I have used it. Okay, let's see if it works. Hello, highlight the code. No, I want to see if it runs. Why it is not running? Highlight the code and press quickly revision. Okay, let's see what he's saying. Let's do that. I highlight this code, then Control I. This button it does not right. Control no, long button. Click here to hide suggestion. Control L. Let's try. I'll bring it here. Why it is not working? It is. It says it is not finding this place. I think we need to install something else for it to work. If I remember, how what will happen if I do like new context, new remove it. Hello, I don't know. Oh, hello there. Finally, it is working. So basically, I just needed to select ollama from here. I think with like this, you can do code. Okay, I want to why we use. Okay, so it is working. Okay, va benissimo. Now I want to bring my project. So to bring it, I need to go here, close all this, go to GitHub. Here, if we write cmd, it opens it. Then we can do this command. Close that. No, I did it by mistake. Escape. If you do it, removes. So here we do git clone. In our last step, we installed git, so it should work. Sign in your browser in Chrome. Authorizing. Reload. Why it is not working, bro? No. dir. Give me a sec. Yeah, we have the code. So if I do cd into gen and I write code is too faster for me. Okay, we have the code finally. Yes, I trust this author. I am the author. So, and we have our continuous. So if I want first we need, so the first thing we need to do is npm run, no, npm install. It will install all the dependencies. अरे बाद में करता हूँ. I will do it later. So now what we are doing, we are using this big package.json to get all the dependencies of our project so we can run the script dev, because without this it does not have the things needed to run it, and we have Cloudflare and a lot of bullshit. So first we need to do this, then we will try to finish our app. All the code is here. First we run it, see it, and then we make small changes and see how our ollama setup is going on. Okay, I just realized one thing, maybe I don't even have node installed here. Node, oh, I have. Very good. So I can go, yeah, install node. So node is there. So what is taking it so long? This is not the code. Okay, it did it. Let's do npm run to see if it is working. It is saying that you can here. Let's see. So we will deal with most of it. So it is in the dark mode right now, and when you click on try now, you get the login feature, and because I am logged in for some reason, we see everything working. So the first thing I want to do is, when I am in dashboard, I don't want to see about and contact. So let's try to do that. Okay. In components, I have navbar. Here I will give him the context to llama, or we can give it to star coder also. Let's say deep sea coder. Ooh, the name is too long. So I want the context of this file. I want to make, I want that when we are on dashboard, user does not see menu items. What it does. Is thinking that we are using it. Can I redo it? No. Let's do the whole thing again. I cannot. Okay. I am using Next.js. Let's try to give him use location. Use location who can use route. Oh, okay. Provide access to the route object including the path name and its dashboard. If I just apply to the current file, I accept all. I don't check anything. Let's see if I just visit. It is saying next route import from you have a server component that imports next. Okay. So it is saying that it is a server component. I don't want it to be so. So we can say use client. I think this change will fix it. Oh, this, what does it say? Next router was not mounted. Does it even component using use router outside the next or was rendering outside the next? Can it happen when doing unit testing or component that use router hook as not configured with next gen? Happens when you try to use router hook from next router inside tab directory app as okay. So next navigation we will use. This is the problem with using coding assistant. I don't like. I want to change to Llama 3.1. I just realized one thing. Maybe I don't even have Node installed here. Node. Oh, I have. Very good. So I can go. Yeah, install Node. So Node is there. So what is taking it so long? This is not the code. Okay, it did it. Let's do npm run to see if it is working. It is saying that you can here. Let's see. So we will deal with most of them. So it is in the dark mode right now. And when you click on try now, you get the login feature. And because I am logged in for some reason, we see everything working. So the first thing I want to do is when I am in dashboard, I don't want to see about and contact. So let's try to do that. Okay. In components, I have navbar. Here I will give him the context to llama, or we can give it to star coder also. Let's say deep sea coder. The name is too long. So I want the context of this file. I want to make. I want that when we are on dashboard, user does not see menu items. What it does. Is thinking that we are using it. Can I redo it? No. Let's do the whole thing again. I cannot. Okay. I am using Next.js. Let's try to give him use location. Use location who can use route. Oh, okay. Provide access to the route object including the path name and its dashboard slash dashboard. If I just apply to the current file, I accept all. I don't check anything. Let's see if I just visit It is saying next route import from you have a server component that imports next. Okay. So it is saying that it is a server component. I don't want it to be a server. So we can say use client. I think this change will fix it. Oh, this, what does it say? Next router was not mounted. Does it even component using use router outside the next step, or was rendering outside the next step? Can it happen when doing unit testing or component that use router hook as not configured with next gen? Happens when you try to use router hook from next router inside tab directory app as okay. So next navigation we will use. This is the problem. It, using coding assistant. I, I don't like it. I want to change to Llama 3.1. Supply the current file. Okay. Then let's create another file. Go back. Hmm. Yeah. Now it will fail completely. Let's restart it. Hmm. Cannot find it. Okay, this I can resolve it. I am already in component. I don't need all this. Let us say I am here. Navigation event use. It's saying to do that. This should work. Now what is the problem? Use effect we are using, so it is saying to write use client. Where am I using this? Here no, it will give me new error. User router only works with client component. How much patience you need. Perfect, it is gone. No, it took some tries, but now I want to do that if user is logged in, uh, I don't want in login page here. What am I? The condition if data is there, don't let's ask. Okay, if user is already logged in, route you directly to dashboard. I don't know what is. However, this continues because it does the same thing whether you are logged in or better to fetch the user session. But what did you change? Put a use effect to get the user session. However, the bubble does not show the type user is logged in, but the session is expired. क्या ऐसा चला 2 accept on use is there. I'll find user because you need to import it. Oh, you never imported it. Get session. It does not exist on our service. Get current user we need to use. Oh, wait, I can do it better. So we add the context of this one and this one. I want the user to be redirected if he is already logged in. Using uh, however you are trying to submit object that returns the ID something like this. or something like he will write. mm, it is not important. Let me fix it. Yeah, yeah, solved. Yes, do this. Okay, this should work. If we refresh it right now, it's redirected directly. If I go to home, boom, boom. Okay, it takes some time, but it is able to do it. Here I want to change also this try now button, navigation, path, dashboard. Hmm, if not equals to dashboard, so I can just move it up and see if this will do it. Yeah, it removed. Yeah, but it created a problem here. What if I just put it after? Then it will this. Constant and let's ask him to do it. And context fine. Now, let try now. Button is not at the end of the nav bar. Let me just remove it. What happens then? Okay, it is not because this is the same. Hmm. I can solve it. Let's keep it here and just uh, we can do like this. I think. Here and it was. I want to pretty for code formatter because the code is becoming a mess and here is the pretty. So this one solves it, but here it will give an error. Which one you want to use? I will configure. I want prettier. And I save it. Why it is not working? I think I need to set some in here. Settings is enabled. Feature property. Then all there is an option. Hmm.
So as you can see, it does not solve all the problem. It is not a magic pill. Yeah, it is making things faster. It is coming up with errors and I'm not able to solve them. But for sure it can type faster than me. But the whole thing is that it is not about typing fast. It's about getting the result. Yeah, if somebody who knew React and who have worked with Daisy UI can solve these problems very easily. But I am new to it, so I am getting a hang out of it. So if you want to see me struggle or do, this is a part of a series where for 20 hours I try this platform. So this was my first hour. Subscribe the channel if you want to see what happens after 20 hours of this struggle. And it is sometimes fun to watch somebody struggle. Subscribe. See you in the future. And if you want to suggest anything that I can do to improve what I am doing, if you have more knowledge than me, please let me know. I need help here. Send help